lovely friends, and happy Friday. It is the 11th of December today, day 11 of Vlogmas. My goodness, it's gone really fast. I got to make my rum balls this morning, so they're done. And do you know what? They're probably a third of them gone already, so they're quite a favourite. Obviously not amongst the little kids. I do have some chocolate balls that I will make for the little ones, but they're a favourite amongst the oldies. I have had a wonderful day today. It was a nice, easy, slow start and made my rum balls. And then I actually went out for lunch today. We had a Mexican lunch and visited a beautiful friend of mine this afternoon for some just chatty fun with my crafty friends. And then after dinner, I watched a Christmas movie just snuggling up with Mason, and we could actually snuggle. It's a lot cooler today. So it's been a bit of a showery day all day. And yeah, it's just been such a beautiful temperature. So refreshing to not have it be just so hot and sticky. So we have taken advantage and we were snuggled up. We watched the Santa Claus together. I did a little bit of crochet, but he wanted to snuggle underneath the crochet. So I had to stop, but that's okay. Snuggles are worth it. So now I thought I might pop in here and do the advent calendar with you. And then I might make myself a cup of tea and do a little bit more crochet before bed, because why not? If it's cool enough to do it in summer, let's do it. All right. So we are up to day number 11. Let's get it out. Oh, there's got to be a trick to this. Here we go. Okay. Oh, it feels like it's a bigger one. It is, oh, I love this brand. It is a Sweetened Original Hydrating Mist Toner. Yay, chamomile and rose. Oh, do you know rose is my absolute favourite scent. I love rose so much. If I ever, and you don't see it all that often, but whenever I do, I buy it just purely because I love it. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that is so nice. So it's paraben and alcohol free and lots of good things that it doesn't do, but it's not going to let me show you. No, can't see it. That's a shame. But yeah, close your eyes and spray onto the face and neck area for instant refreshing feel. Let's do that right now. Oh, it's not much of a mist. Oh, but the smell. Do you know what? That would be really nice in the fridge. So when you were really, really hot, to bring it out and, oh, I think I'm onto something. That is a winner. I like that one. Fabulous. I'm really enjoying this calendar. It's been a good one. So I just wanted to remind everyone that if you haven't commented on yesterday's Vlogmas video, please do and enter the competition. So just comment what you liked out of the prize. And then, yeah, I'm thinking that I am going to call it a night and just go and relax for a bit, because I've been doing a lot of relaxing today and have been enjoying it immensely. And I know that I've got a massive day of work tomorrow. So I am doing, I think, 11-hour day tomorrow. So I am going to soak up the relaxing as much as I can today. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for joining me again. See you tomorrow. Bye.